Hello students, so we were doing Goa board maths 12th paper solution. Okay, so let's solve question number 7, that is MCQ. Okay, the value of integral minus 3 dx. Okay, now this is given in the mod, so first you have to determine the values of x for which this value becomes negative and positive. Okay, so if we put this 1 here, then it will be minus 2. If we put 2, we will get minus 1, and if we put 3, then we will get 0. So this when this term gets out of the mod, then it is for minus x minus 3, right? So it is from 1 to 3, so it is negative. If it was 4, then we will have got one positive term, so this will be 1 to 3 minus of x minus 3 dx. Okay, now you have to integrate. So integrating minus x square by 2 minus plus 3x, it is from 1 to 3. Now put the values, so it will be 3 square 9 by 2 plus 3 3s are 9 minus 1 square plus 3 1s are 3. Okay, so I can write this as minus 9 by 2 plus 9 plus 1 by 2 minus 3. Okay, so minus 9 by 2 and plus 1 by 2, it will be minus 9 plus 1, so minus 8 by 2 plus 9 minus 3 is 6, so this will be 4, so 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, so 2 is the answer. Let's solve question 8. The value of minus 1 to 1 x raised to 4 sine cube x dx. So you have to find minus 1 to 1 x raised to 4 sine cube x dx. Now looking at this, should be able to use the property of integrals, that is minus a to plus a, right? So minus a to plus a f of x dx. If your f of x is a odd function, then you will get a 0 for odd, and if it is an even function, then you will get 2 times you have to integrate, right? 2 times f of x. So let's check whether this function is odd or even. So if I put here minus of f of x, then this will be minus x raised to 4 sine cube of minus x. Okay, so this is x, and this will be sine cube of minus x. That is, this is sine of minus x, you can write it as minus sine of x, right? So you can take this minus sign outside, so it will be minus x sine cube x. Okay, so we get this as a odd function, so you can directly write this as 0. The answer is 0. Okay, next question, question number 9. Using determinant, show that the points are given. Okay, 1, 3, 2, 2 and 0, 4. are collinear. So to prove collinear, we have to prove area of triangle equal to 0. Okay, so you can use the formula, that is area of triangle half x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 1 1 1 equal to 0 we have to prove. So this put values. So taking determinant is 4 minus 2, 3 ones are 3, so we'll get minus 2, 2 minus 1, so this is minus 2 plus 2 which is equal to 0. So this is collinear, the points are collinear. Okay. Question number 10. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve, okay, 2y equal to 3 minus x cube at the point 1 comma 1. So slope of the tangent means you have to find the derivative. Okay, so y, finding the derivative, you will get 2 dy by dx, 3 derivative of 3 0, this will be 3x square at the point 1 comma 1. So you have to substitute 1 comma 1. This is minus 3 by 2 x square, so 1 square. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. Okay. So question 11. Find the distance between the two planes, and the two planes are given. Equations are given. X plus y plus 3z equal to 4 and 2x plus 2y, I'll write it here, 2x plus 2y plus 6z equal to 10. Okay, now if you look at the two planes, you will find that this is multiple of 2. Okay, if I multiply this by 2, I'll get this 2x 2y plus 6z. Okay, so here the only difference is of distance. Okay, so the formula becomes distance between the two planes as, this is d1 d2, so d1 minus d2 okay, this is multiplied by 2, right? So your d2 becomes 5. If I multiply this, I can write it as 2 times x plus y plus 3z minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, this is my equation of the second plane. So our d2 is 5. So d1 minus d2, and upon you have to take the these values, a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so this is 4 minus 5 upon root of a square 1 plus 1 plus 3 square 9. So you'll get minus 1 upon root of 11. Okay, so this is 1 upon root of 11 units. Okay, next question, question number 12. Find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by the vectors. Okay, the vectors are given, adjacent sides are given, that is a I plus j and B 2I plus 3k. Okay, now area of parallelogram is given by cross product of its adjacent sets, right? So A cross B, magnitude of A cross B, area of parallelogram. Cross B. So you have to find first A cross B. Okay, so A cross B is 3I minus 3j minus 2k. So its magnitude A cross B is given by root of 3 square plus 3 square plus 2 square, root of 22 square units. Okay. Question 13, you have to find the principal value of cosec inverse of minus 2. Okay, cosec inverse of minus 2. Now we know that if we take this as theta, then minus 2 will be cosec of theta. Okay, now sine of 30 is half, right? That is sine of pi by 6 is half. So cosec of pi by 6 is 2, and we know that sine of minus pi by 6 is minus sine of pi by 6, right? Because it is an even odd function. So similarly cosec is also odd function, so we can directly write this as, this is cosec of minus pi by 6 is minus 2. Okay, so your theta is minus pi by 6. Question 14. So two matrices are given and you have to find a matrix AB transpose. Okay, so let's write this. Matrix A is 1 2 4 3 cross 1 and B is row matrix. Okay, so its product we have to find. So the product will be of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so 1 into 2 then 4 into 2 8 0 4 ones are 4. Okay, so its transpose is you have to shift the rows into columns, columns into rows. 2 0 1 4 0 2 and 8 0 4. Okay, so this is the matrix. Question 15. The random variable x has the following probability distribution. So you have to find probability where random variable is less than 2. Okay, so here the p of x are given in terms of k. So first you have to find the k. Now probability is given, so probability of each event we have to add. so that is equal to 1, right? So we can find k. So question 15, I'll find the total probability, that is 1. So this is summation p of x is 1. So k plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k is 1. So this is 7, 8, 9, 10. 10k is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, we got k. Now we have to find p of x less than 2. So we have to write for 0, for 1. Okay, p of x equal to 0 and for x equal to 1. So x equal to 0, it is k. X equal to 1, it is 2k. So substituting values of k, will get 3 by 10. Okay. Question 16. So if y is given, you have to find dy by dx. So y is given e raised to x plus y square. Okay, so dy by dx you have to find. So integrating, differentiating, you will get dy by dx, e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, derivative of y square 2y dy by dx, right? So we can take dy by dx terms together. So dy by dx minus 2y dy by dx equal to e raised to x. Take common, so it will be 1 minus 2y dy by dx equal to e raised to x. Okay, so dy by dx will be e raised to x upon 1 minus 2y. Okay. Next question is, you have to find the angle between the following pairs of lines. Okay, question 17. Two lines are given. And okay, so these two lines are given, you have to find the angle between them. So the formula is cos theta equal to a1i plus b1j plus c1k dot, that is we can write directly as, these are the parallel vectors, right? b1 and this is b1 and this is b2, right? So we can write b1 dot b2 upon magnitude of b1 magnitude of b2. So b1 is 3i plus 2j plus 6k dot 2i plus 2j plus k upon magnitude of 9 plus 4 plus 36 into 4 plus 4 plus 1. Okay. So 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 6 1s are 6. This will be 13. So 49 and 9. 16 by 7 into 3, so 16 by 21. Okay, this is your cos theta, and then you have to write theta. So theta is cos inverse 16 by 21. Okay,